Alan, look, there is a computer.
Yes, we see it. Let's go.
Yes, we see it. I found you! Oh my god. Why is the computer it was a black hole? Wait, what?
Oh no, it's a creature. What information about
Alan, we did hypnotize zombie, did kill it. I need the fire flower.
Fire flower. Open the chest.
Okay.
Terran 9K6, we are going to the beach.
Yes, leave it. We are so. We can play beach this night.
Oh my god, there is a truck.